Access 2003. Course 14, Creating Reports 2. Lesson 1, Creating a Report Formatted for Printing on Labels. Label Wizard is a kind of multi-column report. Such reports are used, for example, to send mail to multiple addresses stored in a database. To create a label with Label Wizard, do the following. In the section Objects, go to Reports. In the working window, click on New. In the New window, choose Label Wizard. Choose the table or query where the object's data comes from by clicking on the arrow button in the appropriate field. Click OK. Label Wizard will bring up the context menu, filter by manufacturer, and choose a required item from there. Choose the label size. You can also choose unit of measure and label type. Click Next. Next, choose the font name, font size, font weight, and font color for the label. If you want, choose the italic and underline options. Click Next. Choose the fields whose data must be shown on the label. Highlight the fields in the left column and click the arrow button to select it for the label. To transfer the data to the fields of the label below, click Enter. Click Next. In the next window, choose a sorting order for the labels. Select a field from the Available Fields pane and click the arrow button to place it in the Sort By pane. Click Next. Click Finish. The labels have been created. Access 2003. Course 14, Lesson 2. Creating of an initial code for a chart. Chart Wizard works with one table or query only. Because of that, it is important to know what data you want to be shown on the chart. To create a chart, you need to have a minimal query. Let us look at an example of a query. Go to Queries. In the main menu, click on New. Choose Simple Query Wizard. Click OK. From the context menu, Tables, Queries, choose a data source. Select the required fields from the Available Fields pane and sort them into the Selected Fields pane. Click Next. Click Finish. Access 2003. Course 14, Lesson 3. Creating a chart using the wizard. To create a chart by using Wizard and queries, do the following. On the toolbar, click New. From the context menu, choose a data source. Choose Chart Wizard. Click OK. Choose any required fields for the chart by double-clicking on the appropriate list. Click Next. Choose the chart that will appropriately display the fields you have selected. Click Next. The wizard will show you the preview chart. To make changes, double-click on Performance Date by Months. Choose by quarters. Click OK. Click Next. Click Finish. A report with the simple chart will be created. Access 2003, Course 14, Lesson 4, Creating a Report with Several Columns. To create a report with several columns, do the following. Select a report from the list. Click the Design button. Choose Page Setup from the File menu. Go to Columns. In the field Number of Columns, enter the number of columns. Set row spacing and column spacing. Column layout can be down, then across. Click OK. To view the results, click View.